Alright guys, so we're going to talk about these AUTOONE LED light kits. I got the fog lights and then I got the actual headlights here for my Tacoma. And so let's open up one of these and show you what you get with each box. So you got the actual lights themselves and they're encased in these nice little foam packets, and then you also got the booklet that comes with it to tell you about everything. And then here's our cat right here, just coming to inspect. Same thing with the other box. It's going to be really similar. If I can find the opening. Okay. So now, again, we have our lights, and then we have the little booklet that comes with it, and then also we have the box themselves. So let's go install these real quick, and I'll show you the difference between the LED versus the lights that I already have. Okay guys, so here's the fog lights. First, this side is the LED, and then this one's the other one. As you can tell, this one's got a bright, nice yellow color. That way it cuts through the fog and stuff like that. Let me show you the headlights. So this is the LED side, obviously, so clear, just so bright, just so nice. And then we have our other side that came with my truck, and it's kind of a dingy, dull color. So obviously the LED is so much more brighter. Okay guys, so for your headlights, all you're going to do is just, first you're going to take off your connector by pinching the clip and then just sliding it off the light itself. Alright, so now we're going to just insert this and twist. Pretty simple. Once you twist it right, it should click, and then all you're going to do is put your clip back on, your wire harness back on, and it just snaps in, and then you're good to go, and that's it. And then here are my old ones that I took out, and then now I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. Here's my new LED light, and now I'm going to just put it in the fog light. Alright, so here's what it looks like with everything on. So here's the headlights, and these are the fog lights. They were really easy to install, but as you can tell, highly recommend. Very bright. And thank you guys for watching. So here's what it looks like with my dims, and then here's with the new LEDs. So much brighter. Dims, LEDs. You can see so much further than the normal just like headlights. There it is. Alright guys, so here's my dims, and then there's my LEDs. Dim, LED. And then these are just the fog lights. No lights, fog lights, and LEDs.